Question 1. After a long gap of 57 years, the Indian Prime Minister visited Argentina to deepen cooperation in key sectors like agriculture, defense, and energy. But during this historic visit, which agreement did the two countries sign? Was it A. India-South America Education Pact, B. Lithium Exploration Agreement, C. Free Trade Deal with Mercosur, D. Soybean Oil Subsidy Agreement? The correct answer is B. Lithium Exploration Agreement. Question 2. A recent World Bank report highlights India's leap in reducing income inequality. As per the latest data, what is India's Gini index score reflecting economic equality? Options are A. 41.8, B. 35.7, C. 25.5, D. 16.2. The correct answer is C. 25.5. Question 3. The Asian Development Bank and Green Climate Fund have teamed up to launch a major clean energy initiative in India. By which year does India aim to become a net zero carbon emitter? Choose from A. 2030, B. 2050, C. 2060, D. 2070. The correct answer is D. 2070. Question 4. India's first cooperative university is being built in Gujarat. It is named after a visionary leader of the cooperative movement. Who is that? A. Sardar Patel, B. Verghese Kurian, C. Tribhuvan Keshibhai Patel, D. Minesh Shah. The correct answer is C. Tribhuvan Keshibhai Patel. Question 5. India is encouraging drone innovation through a $234 million incentive scheme. Which drone company, headquartered in Chennai, has MS Dhoni as its brand ambassador? A. Nagastra, B. Harrot, C. Kamikaze, D. Garuda Aerospace. The correct answer is D. Garuda Aerospace. Question 6. India now has its first equine disease-free zone in Uttar Pradesh. Which international organization certified this facility? Is it A. WHO, B. FAO, C. World Organization for Animal Health, D. Indian Veterinary Council? The correct answer is C. World Organization for Animal Health. Question 7. The Supreme Court has made a progressive move by extending reservation benefits to a new group. Which of the following now receives reservations in appointments and promotions? A. EWS, B. General Category Women, C. Other backward classes, D. Scheduled tribes? The correct answer is C. Other backward classes, OBCs. Question 8. The government now mandates a specific certification for helmets to ensure rider safety. Which standard is now compulsory? A. ISO, B. ISI under BIS, C. CE mark, D. ISRO mark? The correct answer is B. ISI under BIS. Question 9. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, India has launched several indigenous naval assets. Which submarine was launched in January this year? A. INS Nirdeshak, B. INS Tushil, C. INS Vagshia, D. INS Arnala? The correct answer is C. INS Vagshia. Question 10. The Telangana government introduced a new initiative to bridge the gap between ITIS and industry. What is the full form of T-GATE? A. Telangana Gateway for Advanced Training and Education, B. Telangana Gateway for Adaptive Training and Employment, C. Technical Gateway for Apprenticeship and Training Education, D. Telangana Grid for Academic Talent and Empowerment? The correct answer is B. Telangana Gateway for Adaptive Training and Employment.